Want quick access to the Mac widgets from the Turn Off the Lights for Desktop app? Let me show you how in just a few simple steps. First, open the macOS Widgets panel by clicking right on your desktop, and select the menu item Edit Widgets. This will bring up the available widgets on your Mac. Now, in the search bar, type Turn Off the Lights. Here, you will see all the available widgets from the app, including color palette, brightness control, and a switch. Click the plus icon next to the widget you want to add. Also, you can drag the widget to your preferred location. Once you are happy with the placement, click the blue Done button, and that is it. You now have easy access to your favorite Turn Off the Lights for Desktop widgets right from your macOS Widgets panel. For example, when you click on the switch, it will dim your entire screen. Click again, and it will remove the dimming layer. Also, when you click on the color options, it will instantly update the dimming layer to that specific color. With the Screen Dimmer widget, you can increase the opacity with a single click of the button. Additionally, there's an Adjust Opacity link to instantly open the settings page. Enjoy a better Mac experience with these handy widgets. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tips.